Here's our presentation on cyberbullying. We use Piktochart. So what is cyberbullying? It's the use of technology to harass one another. It can take place on text, on social media, email, online gaming. It's something that affects people of all ages and is a fairly new and unknown form of bullying. How is it affecting education? With everything that's happening in today's world, technology is starting to play an even bigger role in education. Students are able to access the internet easier and are prone to experiences like these more prominently now because of all of the use of electronics and social media. More than 1 in 3 younger people have experienced cyberbullying at some point in their lives. Over half of younger people do not tell an adult if they are experiencing cyberbullying. Less than 1 in 5 incidents of cyberbullying are reported to law enforcement. If actions are not taken, this can really affect how the children and how they trust other students, as well as their teachers. Cyberbullying can take a toll on someone's self-confidence, as well as how they view themselves. Then here's a little infographic. What can we do to stop bullying? We can monitor technology use, cultivate knowledge about technology, and establish disciplinary actions and mental health awareness programs. And then here are all the steps that you can take more detailed. And these are all the resources we used to create this document. And that is all. Thank you for listening.